So one day I was messing around, kind of bored at work, not doing much, and this is what I ended up doing. Kind of getting on Google Maps Earth to check stuff out. One day I rapidly fell on this beautiful fractal shape in eastern Alabama. And what we have here is none other than Lake Martin. Now Lake Martin, I'm out on a limb here, but I would think that this is probably the largest lake in Alabama. I'm looking at this. Wow, this is all kinds of adventure waiting to happen. And what's with all these islands? And I found the Ridge Beach Park, and I saw the Smith Island, which had a camping icon on it. So what if I could get on a watercraft and sail or paddle over to Smith Island to camp out? Well, that turned out to be like a half mile, pretty much exactly. So, geez, this looks like fun. I just paddle back and forth to the shoreline and Smith Island, and, have a good old time. Look at all this. There's trails and stuff everywhere. Man, these islands. And this right here is Billy Goat Island. This is populated by a bunch of billy goats, privately owned island, but they encourage visitors, donations and stuff like that. The goats love it. But there's all kinds of stuff going here. So one of the popular activities here at Lake Martin is rock jumping. And over here at Chimney Rock Island, we've got 2 points. We've got the main jump area. I think it's about 60 feet tall. For rock jumping into the deep old lake there, and then just a bit north is Acapulco Rock Island. You can either get there by bridge, or if we're camping at Smith Island, you could just sail or just paddle about a mile to get some sand there, and then go do the deal. Well, it didn't quite turn out the way we thought it would. First of all, Ridge Beach Park, private property, kind of like gated community and stuff like that. Everything's on lock and key. And we went to the bridge. Well, that's what the entrance to the bridge looked like. So we were kind of at a loss as to what to do. So this is what we ended up doing. Got a tip from one of the park workers that you might be able to camp on that island. Appreciate that tip. I can go ahead and jump on the paddleboard real quick and go recon that island, see what it's like. Beautiful day, nice breeze. Geez, must be like low 80s. Anyway, enough talking, start paddling. There is some glass up here. You can do it. So I'm seeing this little clearing here. Looks like a little path skirting the island. And the path coming up to the other end. And I just scared off a heron. Well, yeah, this is awful pretty, but we can't stay here. We would have to alter the place too much, and there's too much dry stuff littering the ground. There's no way we'd have a fire. lost my man. Where'd my man go? There he is. Okay, so this is the water trip that turned into the land trip. First thing today is going up Smith Mountain, where there's a fire tower. We're going to go up that fire tower. I'll take you with me. Beautiful, beautiful woodland, very varied terrain. We'll have some climbing to do today. It's good to be out here with my buddy Jason again. Oh, they actually have trails on the kiosk. That's amazing. They never do. They never do it quite that thoroughly. Weird, I don't see the fire tower yet. Nice, steady, kind of steep climb there. Not too bad. Climb's not over yet. It won't be as steep as what we just went. It was pretty decent. Bigger and bigger. Go on. Oh, got some signage. Okay, this is a trail junction. All right, I think we're at the stairs of the towers here. All right, let's go this way. That's what I say. Ooh, yay. So you come up those wooden stairs back there, and up these wooden stairs, and you come out to this nice little flat area on the way to the tower. Something I've noticed here is the kiosks here are in wonderful shape. They're very informative. Yeah, outstanding job. This is private property, but they make this place available, so for the public's enjoyment from the sunrise till sundown. This is Jason poking stuff with his stick, trying to harass critters and stuff. Anyway, I'm going to the tower. Let's go check this out. This tower was abandoned in 1980, and what was the name of the Creta? Creta is a major player in establishing the trails here after Forest Service let them go. Anyhow, blah blah blah. All right, we are at the tower. This time I'm climbing this bad boy. See you at the top. right. Here's Lake Martin. I was wrong. It's not 840 miles of coastline. Evidently it's 880 miles of coastline. Oh my lord. Wow. That's quite a climb. Hello, poor people! Well, I quite enjoyed that. Yeah. I've never gotten up a fire tower. Most of the fire towers I've been around are pretty sketchy. And there's like bullet holes at the top. People shoot at them. Doesn't make me exactly comfortable. Anyway, we're moving on. We're taking this. I'm going to switch you over here. Alright. Here's the part of the kiosk here. Show the trail system over here at Smith Mountain. We are here. I'm going to take this red trail. It's going to follow along the lake. Should be pretty cool. This one looks a little more difficult. Alright, let's get after it. So, heading down to the lake here. You know, this trail was indicated on the map as blue, or as red. It was marked red on the map, but it has blue blazes. And the trail that was marked blue has red blazes. I was confused for a second there. Probably whoever blazed this stuff was high. I don't know. Boy, coming off the mountain, that trail doesn't kid around. It just goes straight down. It lands us right here. Right here in these beautiful banks. Oh, I feel that breeze. That's so nice. This trail's pretty lovely. It really just skirts that whole fractal coastline of Lake Martin. Beautiful woods, constantly changing trail. You know, kind of moderate. It's like, you know, a lot of roots, a lot of rocks, a lot of ups, downs, turns. It's very fun. Very, very, very nice. This is a cool spot. Alright, got up to this point here. Excuse me, sir. How clear this water is. Just beautiful. And over here, you could actually walk across to this island, which I would like to do, but I'm not. I know I'm lame. Okay, got a little trail junction here. Of course, not the Lakeshore Trail, but this Island Hop Trail is a short little thing. You go down here and you can go to a whole string of islands. Now, I don't know if that's hikeable right now. But at least when I go down to the point and check it out, see what that's like, see if it's something that's doable. This has seriously been a lovely, lovely hike. Probably one of the nicest places I've been in a long time. I made the observation while hiking, although we came to Lake Martin for a water trip, or an epic water trip, we're prepared for that. That's difficult to really get around such a huge lake on a on a self-powered craft, or using your muscles to move. But what this area does have in spades is hiking trails, but there's no camping, which kind of sucks. There's a lot of great hiking trails here, and they're in good shape, and they're maintained well. So if you like day hikes, camp at the state park or stay at a motel in Alexander City, come on out and hike around Lake Martin. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, well, we're finally headed out to the parking lot. Jason's having back problems. He's enjoyed this trail, but it's just too much. So I'm going on my next adventure by myself. But everybody wish Jason well. He'll be back kicking ass soon enough. But meanwhile, that's the end of this video, because I'm gonna get out and do something else. Talk to you later, everybody. Take care of each other and yourselves.